one other company you brought up here was Shocking Vibes. All right. And another big song you got from them was Everybody Plays a Fool. How do you connect with Shocking Vibes now, too?
Well, Anchor, Penthouse, and Shocking Vibes was all in the same complex.
Mm-hmm.
So when I did This Time I Be Sweeter, and I remember something else, Patrick then sent over and sent to me and said, because actually the first song we sing with Shocking Vibe was Once My Life was Just, because I remember Tiger, actually it was Tiger, because Tiger come from Ligani, like we said.
Mm-hmm.
So Tiger came to my house one morning, like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I said, Tactics, because he usually call me Tactics. He must say, Tactics, put on your clothes and come to Shocking Vibe, have a rhythm down in the world. Then, so me said to him, say, go on and come, and me come. Him say, come in my bed, no. So, most, when me reach down a Shocking Vibe and the man I'm play, I'm here. Kitty. Me I said, hey, Tiger, I need you to put on my bed. I want to go to. The man said, yo, try find sitting and sing because the word, what if I watch that? You don't know, I'm going to take man for. And that was, so what happened was that song was Set My Heart on Fire, Rock the Boat, that would splice up together and make one song out of. Now I remember saying to Patrick, Patrick, give me the rhythm pan and cassette there and make me go and go do some homework, and by Wednesday I come nail up something proper. By the same Monday afternoon, me hear this song on Ira FM, harmony up and everything. You said my heart, and so when we call the master boy, singer, you can't turn there. Murder. Yeah, it was that. And then now that led to Everybody Plays the Fool and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah.
Crazy. Let me take you back to England now. This is when you did a production for Bunny Lila. This was another big one here. Sexy Thing.
Wow. Yeah. Well, actually, that song we recorded in Jamaica because same thing. Lila come with me. I'm a bed one morning, about 8 o'clock one morning, because him say him a go away in the evening I'm flight, and Sly just give the rhythm and tell him say find Jack Radics, because Jack Radics to sing on that rhythm. So just like with the Shocking Vibes, Set My Heart on Fire song, you know, I was pissed off. Come here and say, yo, I need you to come with me out of my bed for them all that blooming man. So when we go down, where did we record that song? Down at Penthouse, correct, yeah. And so me just sing, where you go? I believe in miracles. So the whole time me I sing, me piss off, because I want to go back to my bed. Where you from? Because I don't know, if you listen to that, well, maybe only me would have known, say, I'm piss off when me I sing that song. There was a venom that came with that, you know, that even to the day, me have some go-go girl on a niggle and thing, man. I feel them song that them every time go around, them want to tear off all my clothes. But wicked. So yeah, Bunny lie, man, wow.
Yeah, because I guess you were red hot in Jamaica, and I guess when you went away, because you did other recordings for Black Dread Coxon, you did stuff for a whole heap Saxon, you did a lot of stuff for English producers at that time too.
Your discography extensive, man. You do your homework, man.
This is my job, sir.
Thanks, sir. Aye, sir. Impressed.
That means a lot, especially coming from somebody like you that done so much.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.